All right, this is a review of RavPower Deluxe Series External Battery Pack. If you can, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I got this battery pack because I needed some extra juice for when I'm going around, okay? So I got the pack, and so it comes in this box, ordered off of Amazon. Check the description part of the page. I'm going to leave information for this particular product so you can do some more research on it. It's part of the RavPower family, 20 million and counting, whatever that means. So I'm going to open it up. And so this battery pack right here actually has about 16 mAh, I think that's what it's called, or 16,000 mAh, which gives it a lot of juice. It says it can recharge my iPhone for about like 5 charges or something like that. So we're going to open it up. I think right here is the case right here. This right here is the actual battery pack. I'm just going to open this up right here from the sides. All right, so this is the actual battery pack. It's not lightweight. I think it's about like 10 or 11 ounces. Okay, it says RavPower right here. Let's go ahead and pull this out. All right, I'm going to pull this out right here. And on the back it says Deluxe Series capacity. Yep, like I said, 16,750 mAh. Okay, so it should last a good while. This should be enough juice to charge multiple things several times. Right here is DC 5 volt to all that's output, 5 volt, 4.5 amps, which is really good. It should charge something really fast. All right, so this is what it looks like. It has plastic on both ends right here. You see on the sides, it looks like aluminum finish right there. And then on this right here, as you can see, it has 2.4 amp smart thing, so it turns on automatically when you put it in. And then on this side it's 2.4 amp, and then on this side is 2.1 amp. So this right here charges faster than this side right here. And as you can see, for charging right here, it's 5 volt right here. And then there is actually a LED light right there. I don't know if it's charged yet. Let's check and see. It has a little bit of juice in it. I don't know how much, but that's an indicator that it has some juice in it, I guess. It's fully charged. If I hold it down, you can see the light comes on just like that. The LED light for like seeing in the dark if you have to get the battery. It also comes with this handy bag for slipping it into for protection, I guess. To keep it protected. Slides in that bag right here. You can close it up like that. And then there also comes like 2 cables right here. There's a charger cable right here for charging, micro USB. You see that? It plugs right into there, okay? Comes with 2 cables, and then it comes with a pouch. All right, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and be on the lookout for part 2. We'll give you an update on how it goes. Thanks a lot.